when we go to Puree, I want to show you a little something what I'll be using. I'm using a hand immersion blender, and I highly recommend you get one of these. Now, this is the one I bought from Yes Chef. I know this is not a sponsored Yes Chef class, but I do got to share it with you. It's All-Clad brand. Yes Chef does not sell a lot of appliances. They have some funky toasters. They do sell this because they are a dealer of All-Clad. And this is great because, watch this, it comes in 2 pieces. You can take this part off for washing. It's really good. And for storing in your drawers, you're not trying to store this big, long appliance like that. You can store it in 2 pieces. So that's what we do. And I love this thing. And it has a power adjustment on the top. See that? Plus to minus. And if that's not enough, has a turbo button there. Look at that, turbo. So if you want a good kick of power just with 1 button, you can do that. So it's a great appliance. Now, there's one other thing I want to talk to you about. Now, I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings, all right? But I was talking to somebody years ago, and they were telling me about, what's that thing called? Oh, Vitamix, right? And so if you have a Vitamix, hey, I'm not trying to hurt your feelings at all, okay? But I was trying to understand, I was trying to wrap my head around the whole Vitamix thing. And I said, okay, so you just spent $800 on a blender. Oh, no. It's more than a blender, they told me. Okay, well, how is it more than a blender? Well, it heats as it purees. It does both. Okay, well, I'm thinking, well, this purees, my pot, which I already own, heats, and I'm pureeing and I'm heating at the same time by using this. Oh, no, but it purees better than this. How much more puree do I want than what this is going to do? Like $800 more? Because in my head, my logical accounting brain, I just can't compute how much value I'm going to get out of spending $800 on a Vitamix. You're not going to be happy, and you say, Des warned me, and now look, I'm crying the blues. Woo! When I can have an unlimited size pot, I can have like a 10-gallon pot and use my, where you're only limited like a blender size on there. So buy one of these. It's so worth it. Oh yeah, baby. It's good. And we're still have the heat on, okay? We're heating as we puree, just like a Vitamix, but for a lot less money. All right, there we go. And again, when it comes time to cleaning, just take that, twist it off. There goes cleaning part, electrical part does not go in the sink. Right, it's good. And we have a very nice, you can even see it in the camera there, and a very nice consistency of the soup. These are great, really good.